flew out of Oahu, where we just spent a week exploring and relaxing in the island paradise. We were already amazed by our experience in Hawaii and couldn't wait to spend the next week on the island of Kauai. We headed straight for our hotel, where we were overwhelmed with the most incredible view of the ocean, with large waves crashing just outside our room. It could not have been more of a romantic destination. The next morning, we enjoyed breakfast in our room and then headed to Poipu Beach to beat the crowds. Little did we expect to see 10 turtles sleeping on the beach on almost an empty beach. The Hawaiian Islands are the only place in the world where green sea turtles bask on a regular basis. This was really peaceful to watch.
Oh, hey there. Hey there. Buddy, oh, the other one's going back too. Oh, it's a race. Oh, they're all going back.
It was especially fun to watch each of them wake up and enter the water.
Race. Oh, we got a pretty even race. This is hard. Do you think he's gonna win? He's determined. Ah, that's good.
That night, we went to our very first luau at our hotel. We enjoyed some incredibly talented musicians and performers and were amazed with the overall experience. Of course, we enjoyed the fire dancing the most.
Everybody repeat after me! Aloha!
Aloha!
The next morning, we got on our way to the most anticipated destination of the trip so far. As we got further down the coastline, it became more and more incredible. It was truly one of the most unimaginably beautiful and vast places we have ever been, with sea caves and deep green forests with the steepest volcanic rock peaks we've ever seen. It was unlike anywhere we have ever been. We stopped at a few places like the beach that Captain Jack Sparrow ran down in Stranger Tides to get the chalices from the Santiago ship, and looked at a few different waterfalls.
I found love in the strangest places where all is meant to be. Jamming to the sounds of your favorite song, I said good love is all we need. And when you get down, turn it up loud and soon we'll feel at peace. When the world does you wrong, you listen to that song like the birds, they listen to the trees. There's a fire.
About to this cave.
There's a fire.
Down into the sunlight.
We can get higher over the mountain. We're falling. Life keeps coming.
The next day, we started a day full of adventures, beginning at Waimea Canyon. There's a reason they call it the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. The best part of it being that we were the only ones there, a theme that would continue throughout the day. We then started what would become one of our favorite hikes of all time, the Kalipa Ridge Trail. Not soon after the start of the hike, we were greeted with some friendly goats that were taking in the view. Lucky for us, we met a nice couple from Holland who were the only other people on the trail. We enjoyed hiking with them and taking each other's pictures. We knew we couldn't go to Hawaii and not swim at a waterfall, so we hiked down to Luau Falls and once again had it all to ourselves. We finished another perfect day watching the sunset at Poipu Beach. On the third day of exploring the Nepali coast, we hiked a portion of the famous Kalalau Trail. Since we saw the coast from sea and above, we were anticipating our hike on the coastline. In no way did it disappoint. The forests were so lush and dense with an array of vegetation that felt like a rainforest. The coastline was everything we imagined, and we loved exploring the massive black cliffs and sea caves on Hanakapiai Beach. After a very hot hike, we were dying to cool off, so we headed back to the town of Honolulu and went on a very picturesque swim. We loved the town of Honolulu so much that on our last day of exploring, we headed back up to spend the day in the town. We found a super private beach off to the side of the road and enjoyed the forest of vines on the way down. It was a perfect end to our favorite trip yet.